गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीवन। अजय छाबड़ा दिस साइड। आज हम एक वेरी इम्पोर्टेंट टॉपिक पे बात करने वाले हैं और उस टॉपिक का नाम है विल अदानी बाउंस बैक। अभी आपने कुछ दिनों में नोटिस किया होगा कि हिंडनबर्ग की रिपोर्ट आने के बाद से अदानी ग्रुप के जितने भी स्टॉक्स है दे आर लाइक मूविंग डाउन and there has been a lot of depreciation in the stocks of Adani Group, even to that extent that the fully subscribed FPO, as stated by their chairman Mr. Gautam Adani, they have pledged to refund back the entire money to all the investors. Now, I try to analyze this story as a user, and if you are listening to me for the first time, I request you to subscribe to my channel, like this video if you really like the content of this, and share with your friends and community. Now ये जो वीडियो मैंने बनाया है, since I am not a certified financial advisor, okay, but I have a deep interest in stock markets. I have been investing in stock markets. I have been tracking the stock markets, particularly from the month of August till date. I have tracked around 50 stocks जिनका हमने हमने इन्वेस्ट भी किया, हमने पोर्टफोलियो भी बनाया, हमने उसमें more than 30 to 40% in रिटर्न भी गेन किया, और एंड वी पुल्ड आउट मच बिफोर द डिक्लाइन ऑफ द स्टॉक मार्केट. तो ये मेरी स्टोरी है. एंड सिंस ऑन दिस टॉपिक, particularly on Hindenburg, what I did, I analyzed a lot of videos, a lot of content from the industry experts like Vivek Bajaj, Akshat Srivastava, उद्यन मुखर्जी, देन RN भास्कर. तो मैंने इन सब लोगों को सुना, उन सब के एनालिसिस को देखा, एंड देन आई एम प्रेजेंटिंग माय वीडियो. एंड माय वीडियो इज टोटली बेस्ड ऑन दीज सीनियर इंडस्ट्री एक्सपर्ट्स लाइक संजीव भसीन. सो ये इन 5 एक्सपर्ट्स को सुनने के बाद और अपनी जो हमारी अंडरस्टैंडिंग है मार्केट में उसको अप्लाई करने के बाद मैं ये वीडियो बना रहा हूँ. एंड होप यू विल लाइक द कंटेंट. नाउ कमिंग टू, देयर आर वेरियस एलिमेंट्स एंड पार्ट टू दिस topic basically. Number one, Hindenburg is a short seller basically. Now Hindenburg is also known, they are not unknown company. They have been doing this in the past. उन्होंने काफ़ी past में भी काफ़ी सारी companies के इस तरह के projects पे काम किया है, उनको short sell किया है. And experts say that, I don't say that, experts say that he makes money by short selling the stocks. Short selling the stock होता है कि आपने एक हायर वैल्यूएशन वाले स्टॉक के लिए कुछ ऐसी न्यूज़ क्रिएट करी जिससे वो स्टॉक नीचे की तरफ भागना शुरू हो जाता है. एंड द इन्वेस्टर्स ही हैज इन देयर किटी, द पीपल बिहाइंड हिंडनबर्ग, वी से दैट देयर आर पीपल बिहाइंड हिंडनबर्ग, देयर इज ए हिडन एजेंडा ऑफ समवन हु इज प्रमोटिंग दिस कॉज अगेंस्ट अदानी और इंडिया पर से. तो उन लोगों ने फ्यूचर्स एंड ऑप्शंस के माध्यम से, सो दीज गाइस आर बिग इन्वेस्टर्स, दे इन्वेस्ट वाया फ्यूचर्स एंड ऑप्शंस विच इज बियॉन्ड द स्कोप और बियॉन्ड द अंडरस्टैंडिंग ऑफ ए नॉर्मल इन्वेस्टर लाइक यू एंड मी. तो फ्यूचर्स एंड ऑप्शंस हम लोगों की समझ से बाहर है, बट ये लोग किसी स्टॉक के लिए एक ऐसी न्यूज क्रिएट करते हैं या फिर शॉर्ट सेल करके प्रॉफिट कमाते हैं. तो पॉइंट नंबर 1, हिंडनबर्ग इज जेन्युइन. दे हैव बीन डूइंग दिस एज ए बिजनेस एंड दे आर ए जेन्युइन ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, and they have done it for a lot of other organizations worldwide much before they start tracking Adani Group. But इसमें एक एंगल हम कोई भी इग्नोर नहीं कर सकता, that they have kind of they have been hired by someone. Who is that someone? Nobody knows that basically. Number 2 point basically, coming back to Adani Group's financial viability and stability, they are in business for so many decades. They are into infrastructure sector basically. They build infrastructure sectors like roads, mines. They do a lot of international mining of coal basically. So they have their own infrastructure, they have their own rail, their own ships, their own jetties, their own airports, their own seaports. So effectively, if you were to see, Mr. Gautam Adani is a genuine businessman and he has genuine intentions for the growth of India, and we take that by default. I am not being biased, I am not biased, and I don't take like to take any sides, but this is based on my understanding of the sector, my understanding of his businesses, and he is a very tough and stubborn businessman. Now he has experienced similar problems in the past wherein he was derailed from his motive. But this gentleman Gautam Adani, I have never met him, I don't know him, This video is not sponsored by any of the Adani Group company, disclaimer. So, but I respect him as a fellow Indian man, and he has done a great job for India, and he will continue to do so. So, whatever shortfalls in the or decline in the shares you see right now, this is a temporary phase basically. Now, my prediction, point number third, when Adani will bounce back, or will Adani bounce back basically. Now, this is something that I want to assure all of you that, okay, this is a temporary period, right? Now, Hindenburg and probable short sellers, investors behind him, they would have already made their money basically. तो उनका जो गेम था वो खत्म कर चुके हैं. They would have sold it, they sold it, they would have made their money. Now they're out of that business, so they have made money, their objective is over. Now जो जितने भी genuine investor हैं, retail investors हैं, they should hold back these stocks, they should continue to pile up, and believe me or not, this is the right time to build your portfolio. Like if you're holding portfolio for other companies, as a genuine investor advisor, I would say that please start holding the shares of Adani Group companies, because this is actually the right time to buy these stocks. Okay, and my prediction is that within 6 months they will bounce back. Now we are approaching the financial year closing. Now 31st March is approaching. All the companies will have their financial year closure. Now, because of this incident of Hindenburg report and rolling back of FPO, Adani will be much more compliant. They will try to be have all best practices corporate governance while declaring their reports this year, right? Obviously, they are doing that for years. Now they will be little more extra cautious basically, because Credit Suisse और Citibank ने उनके अगेंस्ट आर्टिकल्स लिख दिए हैं और उनको बॉन्ड्स को एज ए कोलैटरल वो लोग एक्सेप्ट नहीं कर रहे हैं, विच इज ए रॉन्ग थिंग, विच इज फाइन, बट दीज गाइज विल चेंज देयर माइंड व्हेन दे सी द परफॉर्मेंस बेसिकली, राइट? सो मार्च में इनकी फाइनेंशियल रिपोर्ट्स आएंगी. फर्स्ट क्वार्टर में इफ दे डू वेल, बिकॉज इफ यू लुक एट फोर्थ पॉइंट, that Indian budget supports infrastructure development right now. Now, Indian budget is supporting infrastructure. He is a key player in Indian economy, and he is bound to do good basically. So we assume that he, since he is a major player in the infrastructure sector, अगर infrastructure sector में X rupees खर्च होंगे, तो he will get his due pie of Y percentage of that entire spend of infrastructure. So in my mind, if you were to go by my advice, I see a very bright future for Adani Group. I see a very bright future for Gautam Adani. Please hold your stocks or increase your holdings right now. Now all the shares are coming to you at 30 to 40% discount. Build your portfolio. Sell what else you have. Invest in Adani. And by the end of June, the second quarter, and the start of July, these stocks will bounce back. They will come back to their current levels and even 20% appreciation. So this is my honest analysis on this situation, and hope you like it. And this is coming from a real user of stock market like you and me. I'm not expert. Again, I'm repeating that. Neither I'm expert, but I am just an observer in the stock markets. I keep on observing few stocks. And if you are interested to ask me or connect with me that how to build a portfolio, I built a model portfolio for 5 lakh stocks. Like there were around 51 stocks which I started tracking way back in August. Now out of those 51, 35 are at decline mode, but 15 out of those are still in the profit mode, and they have made more than 20 to 30% profit within 3 to 4 months basically. So within 3 to 4 months of genuine tracking of these stocks, I have a list of portfolio of 15 stocks with very, very fundamentally sound companies, mostly dividend paying companies, and companies with huge profit and cash book basically. So if you're interested in knowing the names of those stocks, I can be your free advisor. I can always send that list to you, and I hope that and these are all blue chip organizations, you will make a lot of money. That is my prediction. So thank you so much for watching this, and if you like it, comment on it and send your email ID. I will try to send that portfolio to you. Thank you so much.